Here are some things you should know in case you ever go to prison. There are a ton of rules. Usually the only way to find out if you're breaking a rule is because somebody calls you out on it very loudly, and if you're like me and hate to be that kind of center of attention, just watch this video. You're not allowed to draw or write on yourself because that would be seen as destruction of state property. Also, you're not allowed to get a sunburn. So if you got yard time, you go outside, you notice your skin's getting a little bit pink, you better go inside or find a shade tree. You're not allowed to take food out of the cafeteria. No, you're gonna want to because dinner gets served at like 2:30 p.m. and you're gonna be starving. But if you get caught, then you could get a write-up. You're not allowed to touch or hug other inmates. And sometimes get away with like doing somebody's hair. If somebody needs to borrow something, you can either give it to them like really slyly, but don't just hand it to them because that's not allowed. It's called trafficking and trading. Where I was in prison, we were only allowed 4 rolls of toilet paper per month. We were given all 4 rolls at the beginning of the month, and they had to last us through the month. So don't be wasteful with your toilet paper because you could be in bad shape come the last week of the month. You can't chew gum, and you don't even want to look like you're chewing gum because then a CO is just going to call you out. Inmate, are you chewing gum? And it's embarrassing. And not that you would, but don't whistle. Just don't. Hope this helps make your prison stay a little bit more comfortable.